Ever wished you could run real Python code right inside your WordPress site? Today, I'll show you a super efficient way to use PyScript directly in WordPress. No extra plugins, just a built-in custom HTML block. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to display live Python scripts on your posts or pages, opening up tons of possibilities for interactive content, data visualization, and much more. Alright, let's dive straight in. The method we'll use is perfect if you only want to run PyScript on a specific post or page, and if you prefer not to clutter your site with extra plugins. It's clean, direct, and leverages WordPress's own block editor. First, start by editing the WordPress page or post where you want your Python code to appear. You can do this by navigating to posts or pages in your dashboard and then clicking Edit next to the item you want to modify. This puts you in the familiar block editor interface, the one with all the plus buttons for adding content. Now let's add a custom HTML block. To do this, simply click the plus button where you want your code to show up. This could be after a paragraph, between images, anywhere you like. In the search field, type custom HTML and select it when it pops up. This block is your gateway to embedding not just HTML, but also the CSS and JavaScript references PyScript needs to work. Here's an important detail. For PyScript to function, you must include the PyScript core CSS and JavaScript in your block. These references act like the foundation. Think of them as the blueprint and tools Python needs to run in your browser. So in your custom HTML block, paste the links to the PyScript CSS and JS files first. It'll look something like this: link rel equals stylesheet href equals URL to PyScript CSS. And script src equals URL to PyScript JS/script. Right under these, you'll add your actual Python code, wrapped inside PyScript tags. This is where the magic happens. For example, you could write PyScript print hello from Python/PyScript. When someone visits your page, PyScript translates and runs this code right in their browser and shows the output directly on your site. Take your time here, make sure to include both the CSS and JavaScript references, and keep your Python code simple at first. If something doesn't work, double-check your URLs and the tag placements. Don't worry if you've never done this. It might feel a bit technical, but just copy-paste carefully and you'll be good to go. Once you've added everything, go ahead and save or publish your page. Give it a moment. Sometimes WordPress can take a few seconds to process new content. Then open up your live page in a browser. You should see your Python code running right where you placed it, turning your WordPress site into a live Python-powered platform. And there you have it, a straightforward way to embed and run Python scripts in WordPress using PyScript, all without extra installs or tinkering behind the scenes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tips for more complex scripts. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress and coding tutorials. See you in the next video.